Good medical morning. Botflies are an unfortunate byproduct of caring for horses. Let's look at some botfly facts that every horse owner should know. How can you stop the botfly cycle? The botfly as an adult insect does not actually bite or cause direct pain to the horse, but begins by laying eggs on the outer body of the horse, on the skin of the inner legs and knees, around the chin and nose, and on the belly. The eggs are small, round, and yellow-orange in color, and are attached to the hairs of the horse's body by the adult botfly. They are easily identifiable on the legs of a dark-colored horse.
Or when a horse just itches himself, he uses his mouth, and he ends up swallowing a bot egg. So let's take a look at what a bot egg is here. I don't know if you can see those little bitty yellow things. Those.
The horse then licks or bites the spot where the eggs are, and subsequently ingests them. In this clip, you see Ken McNabb demonstrate how to remove botfly eggs from your horse's legs.
Is use the bot knife and just scrape those gently. You're not trying to cut the hide off of him. You're just scraping there gently, taking those eggs off of that. You can use the straight part here.
Fly spray, proper fly management, and proper horse grooming can help prevent botfly infestations. Whether it's by administering a dewormer or by removing botfly eggs from the exterior of your horse before they have had a chance to be internalized, the cycle should be broken as quickly as possible before infestation becomes severe. Leave a comment below if you've ever had to deal with botflies yourself.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Nilsa from MTV Floribama Shore, and excuse my morning madness, but I just wanted to be really raw and authentic with you guys. I want to wish everyone at Thinnergy a happy goals day. Let's make today all about reaching your goals. So this is what I do every morning. I get up, I check my emails, I do a little social media, and then I go to the gym and I set out a plan every single day of what goals I want to reach that day. So let's make today all about reaching your goals. And the way I stay fit is just because I have so much motivation. I have a long way to go, but looking back to how far I've came, that's really important to me. So I hope you guys can do the same and reach your goals. Good luck, you guys.
Thinnergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thinnergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.